ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ന്യൂട്രീഷനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്ത് ചോദിക്കാവുന്ന കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നോക്കാം. Dash are considered as micronutrients. Micronutrients എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it is a group of nutrients which consist of vitamins and minerals. As we all know, vitamins are necessary for energy production, immune function, blood clotting, etc. And the minerals are responsible for growth, bone health, fluid balance, etc. So the answer is vitamins and minerals. National Nutrition Week 2020 is celebrated from September 1 to 7, and the main purpose is to spread awareness about good nutrition and health. Dash proteins are considered to be the best among food proteins. Answer is egg. Proteins are made up of smaller unit called amino acids. Next question. The total number of essential amino acids in our body are 9. Dash is the major energy supply nutrient in our diet. Answer is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Increased intake of vitamin will lead to dash. Answer is hypervitaminosis. Hypervitaminosis means it is a condition that occurs when a person has too much vitamin A in their body because the person takes too much supplements over a long period of time. Next question. Dash help in normal functioning of the hemoglobin. The answer is iron. Dash is called as sunshine vitamin. The answer is vitamin D. Next question. Dash is known as anti-infective vitamin. Anti-infective means to fight against infection. So the answer is vitamin A. Papaya are good sources of vitamin A. Keratomalacia beetroot spot is due to deficiency of dash in diet. Keratomalacia means it is an eye disorder and it causes severe dryness of cornea and conjunctiva. Beetroot spot means the keratin located superficially in the conjunctiva, and these spots are the sign of vitamin A deficiency. So the answer is vitamin A. Vitamin necessary for normal vision is vitamin A. Next question. Vitamin A metabolism take place in liver. Vitamin D deficiency leads to dash in adults, osteomalacia. That means softening of the bones. Next question. Vitamin D deficiency leads to dash in children, rickets. Daily requirement of vitamin D is dash 2.5 microgram. Sunlight is the best natural source of vitamin D. Anti-sterility vitamin is dash. The answer is vitamin E because vitamin E is essential for normal reproduction, muscle development and formation of RBC. Vitamin E is also called as tocopherol. Antioxidant vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin which helps in clotting of the blood is dash. The answer is vitamin K. Dash is a rich source of vitamin K. The answer is cow's milk and liver. Vitamin K is synthesized in intestine and stored in liver. Vitamin B1 is thiamine. Thiamine deficiency will lead to a condition called beriberi. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Riboflavin deficiency will leads to dash chelosis. Chelosis means it is a painful inflammation and cracking of the corners of the mouth. And vitamin B3 is niacin. Niacin deficiency leads to dash pellagra. Pellagra is characterized by 3 Ds, that is diarrhea, dermatitis and dementia. Dash is a rich source of niacin. The answer is coffee. Deficiency of ascorbic acid leads to dash scurvy. The most abundant mineral element in the body is calcium. Thank you.